Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and today I'm going to show off this Diode Dynamics light bar that we have installed on this 4th generation Tacoma. Let's get started. Okay, so what we have here is a 2026 4th generation Tacoma. This is a TRD off-road model with the premium package. So we have a TRAILHUNTER grill that we're looking at here. If you want to have the Heritage grill, there's 2 models, and we'll link in the upper right a video describing and showing off the TRD Pro versus the TRAILHUNTER grill. The TRAILHUNTER grill is the one of choice on a TRD off-road in my opinion for a couple reasons. One, the matte finish on it is going to match a lot better to the wheel, the fender flares. They're going to be a matte finish, so if you go with the Pro model, it's going to have a glossy black painted finish. And I don't think that's going to look good having mismatching black sheens. So if you go with the TRAILHUNTER one, it is going to come with bronze lettering. If you don't want bronze lettering, maybe you want black lettering or you want silver lettering or maybe red lettering. Toyota does sell an overlay emblem for this grill, and we'll also link to a separate video in the upper right hand corner that shows off the colors that are available. So again, what we have here is a TRAILHUNTER grill on a premium off-road Tacoma. So once you have the grill, and you can buy an OEM grill from us, and we'll link that in the comment section below. You're going to want to probably accommodate a light bar, but you're not going to want to use the Toyota light bar. The light bar, the lumen output, and having the additional wiring harness and all that isn't going to be conducive to just buying a nice high quality aftermarket light bar. So we typically use a Diode Dynamics light bar. This is a Stage Series 20-inch light bar in yellow. In order to accommodate the 20-inch light bar with this grill, you are going to need a adapter bracket. And so Diode sells one. It's a DD8057 model number. We sell it on parts.edmartintoyota.com, and we'll link it in the description notes. It's very simple. It comes with 2 brackets. They're labeled left and right both. And then this is going to accommodate the light bar to be housed in this specific grill. So this is really all you need. It's going to come with the brackets. It's going to come with the screws and the hardware that you need, which isn't much. Just this little packet right here. A couple zip ties, a couple screws, and that's it. But it's also going to come with this camera relocation bracket. If you did not have this bracket, your camera is not going to work. It's not going to physically fit. It's still going to work. It just wouldn't physically fit in there nice and tight. So this little bracket is cool because this is going to adapt it without having to spend another $155 on a TRD Pro or TRAILHUNTER camera bracket. And it's just a little 3D printed bracket. Takes the camera housing and it puts it inside here, right behind there, and then it sets in and you're good to go. If you're doing the grill mod and you're not doing a light bar, you're okay having the hole there, but you still have a premium model and you want to have the camera, you can buy this by itself. It looks like Diode does sell it, HP 0605. We don't stock these, but it looks like they have a part number. If they don't have that sold separately, you can get them from a company called RAVE. They sell a 3D printed version of them as well. And we actually sell these as well for people that aren't doing light bars. So you can buy this independently, and we'll link it in the comment section below. But ultimately, the difference between the RAVE one and this one is almost nothing. It looks like the 3D print's a little bit higher quality on the Diode one, but ultimately they're the exact same thing. They're just going to adapt your camera. That is the only thing that's really required to make this work. Of course, you're going to need to switch it. So I'll show you what we did. We are using a Toyota genuine part auxiliary 1 switch, and on this truck we didn't have to buy the switch because this is a premium package, and so it's already pre-wired with auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2, and auxiliary 3. If you have a base non-premium package truck, you can buy just the auxiliary 1 switch, which we sell and we'll link to in the comment section, but you're also going to need to get the 5 terminal repair wires as well as the actual housing for it. So you can buy these, but on this particular model with the premium package, also on a Pro and a TRAILHUNTER, it's already going to be pre-wired for that to the fuse box directly. And that's a wrap on our Diode Dynamics 20-inch light bar adapter on this 2026 4th generation Tacoma. If you guys like this mod, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future Tacoma content. If you have any questions at all, ask in the comment section below.